Welcome back to the Fractal Video Shufflr training series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a interview clip and you can add that into your video very quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the niche finder today, and that'll open up the YouTube window. And so today, let's just think about what I can search for here. So let's just say we wanted to insert a Castanet interview clip into our YouTube video. Then we can just come in here and find a clip. So what I'm going to do is refresh this and use the focus sidebar here to find a good clip. So here's a 32-second clip of I Show Speed that is really popular, so I'm just going to copy this link. I'm going to go back into the Fractal Video Shufflr, and I'm going to open the Advanced Editor. So I'll just click Create with AI to open that quickly. And then from here, I'm just going to click the Find Videos. And from here, I'm going to enter that URL that I just copied. I'm going to take out all those extra bits just so I don't like that. And then I'm going to click Add. And so this will be the interview clip that we add into our video. Just give it a little time to download that. Now we have our interview clip. So once we have our clip here, what I'm actually going to do is I am just going to go to Add Custom. And we're going to take that clip we just added and we're going to use it as an overlay. But before we do that, I also want to make sure I have an animated background. So let's go back and let's search for an animated background video. I'm going to refresh so that we can get our focus sidebar updated. And this looks pretty cool. 6 seconds, got a lot of views. Let's copy this link. Let's go back into the Advanced Editor. Let's click Find Video. Let's add that in here. And let's go ahead and just click Add. And that'll go ahead and get the animated background image that we're going to use for our clip today. And eventually we're going to add a way to search for videos in here versus just going and getting that link. So look for that update soon. Okay, so now we got our background clip and we got our interview clip. So what we're going to do now is just click Add Custom. And we're going to start build our new clip that we want to add to make this a lot more transformative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this from text to media, and I'm going to select the foreground video. And from here I'm just going to select the interview clip since that's what I want in the front. And then I am just going to scroll down, and for the background I'm going to change this from solid to video, and I am going to click the, I'm going to pause this so we can hear me. I'm just going to click the folder, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to, keeps playing that. We're going to click this to get the video, and we're going to scroll down and click our animated video. And we're just going to let that render. And it looks like we still have our vignette on, so I'm going to turn this all the way down to 0. And also looks like we're only getting 10 seconds of our interview. So let's scroll down and make sure that the total length is longer than 10 seconds. So let's get let's do 3 minutes of the video. So now we're gonna have it render, and it should remove our vignette and give us a fully rendered 3-minute interview clip with a animated background, and that's what we got. And so just like that, you can quickly create a phase 2 video, and you can easily insert it directly into your video. And so after you've gotten everything that you like, and of course this video was only 30 seconds total, so we can't actually make it 3 minutes. The original source video was only 30 seconds, so that's why it's only going to be 30 seconds. But yeah, now we have our interview clip, or phase 2, ready to go. Now you can change the resolution if you like, but we're going to keep it here and just click add, and that is going to start working on that video, and it's going to add it directly into your project. And so now what we can do is we can remove the original interview clips and the original animated background, and we can make sure to lock this no shuffle, since we don't want to change our interview in any way and we don't want to mute it. Then we'll just click here to preview the plan, and that will go ahead and get our plan ready to go. And now we can preview this. And so now you can, this first section can be your phase 2 clip, and then of course you can add other sections and add new and different parts of the video that aren't just this phase 2. So if you want to have something else happen, you can do that. But that's a very easy way to have your video start off with a interview clip, and that's how you create one, and that's how you do it very, very fast in Fractal Video Shufflr, specifically the advanced editor. And that's all I have for this video. If you like this video, please leave a like on it, and make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this showing up on your feed. And that's all I have for the day. If you really like Fractal Video Shufflr, please let me know in the comments below. It really does help me want to continue to produce good updates and just make it so that everyone can really have the tool that they want, and not just something that I want. I really want to make sure that this is a tool that helps all YouTube creators. And yeah, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.